Good morning, students. So now start a question from R.S. Agarwal. So question is, if the mth term of an AP, write a question. If the mth term of an AP be 1 by n, mth term that is am given 1 by n, this is 1 by n, and its nth term is 1 by m, that is an is equal to 1 by m, then show that its mnth term is 1, that is so that a mn is equal to 1. So two terms of AP given, mth term is 1 by n and nth term is 1 by n, so that mnth term. तो AP का कोई भी टर्म निकालने के लिए फर्स्ट फाइंड द फर्स्ट टर्म एंड कॉमन डिफरेंस. So proof, this is given. Proof, since am is equal to 1 by n, so this implies a plus a minus 1 into d is equal to 1 by n, call it first, and nth term is 1 by m, this implies a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 1 by m, call it second. So simplify first and second, find the value of a and d. So subtract second from first. So first is a plus a minus 1 into d is equal to 1 by n, and a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 1 by m. Now subtract, sign minus, 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 this term cancel. Now taking these two terms, so a minus 1 into d minus n minus 1 into d, this equal to 1 by n minus 1 by m. Now taking LCM, taking d common left side, so taking d common, so d is common, then m minus 1 minus n minus minus plus 1 into d, taking LCM, m and LCM, so m minus n, this minus 1 plus 1 cancel, then m minus n into d is equal to m minus n by mn. So both side m minus n cancel, so d is equal to 1 by mn. This is the value of d. Now find the value of a. So putting the value of d in first, so first imply a plus a minus 1 into d, that is 1 by mn is equal to 1 by n. Here put the value of d. Now open the bracket. So a plus am by mn minus 1 by mn is equal to 1 by n. Now this mm cancel. So a plus 1 by n minus 1 by mn is equal to 1 by n. Both side 1 by n cancel, and this term taking right side, so a is equal to 1 by mn. This is the first term. Now show that mnth term is 1. So now find mnth term. So for mnth term, amn is equal to, use formula, a plus mn minus 1 into d. So this equal to a, the value of a is 1 by mn plus mn minus 1, the value of d also 1 by mn. So now 1 by mn common, or open the bracket. So 1 by mn, bracket open, then mn by mn minus 1 by mn, this time is cancel, mn also cancel, so this equal to 1, proved. So this is the mnth term is 1. Next question is, सम इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम आर एस अग्रवाल जो आपका बोर्ड में पूछा हुआ है. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, इफ शो दैट S12 is equal to 3 into S8 minus S4. S12 means sum of 12 terms, S8 sum of 8 term, S4 sum of 4th term. So prove it. So first find, now find the value of RHS. Find RHS. Proof. RHS 3 into S8 minus S4. Put the value S8, use formula Sn. So this equal to 3, S8 is equal to 8 by 2 into 2a plus 8 minus 1 into d. This is S8. Now minus S4. S4 means 4 by 2 into 2a plus 4 minus 1 into d. This is S4. Now simplify. This will be cut 4. This also cut from 2. Now this bracket open. So multiply by 4. So 4 into 2a, that is 8a plus 4 into 8 minus 1, 7d. Now minus, multiply this 2. So 4a and plus 2 into, here term is 3d. Now open the bracket. So 8a plus 28d minus 4a and minus 6d. This equal to 3, 8a minus 4a is equal to 4a, 28d minus 6d plus 22d. This equal to, this is the value of 3 into S8 minus this. Yeah, open the bracket also. So 3 into 8, or now find the RHS, or taking 2 common. Taking 2 common, or this is the value of RHS. Now find S12. Since S12 is equal to n by 2, that is 12 by 2 into 2a plus 12 minus 1 into d. Here 2 cancel, that is 6. Here 2 also common. Here 2 also common. So taking 2 common, then this become 3 into 2, 6. 2a plus 11d. Cancel. So 6 into 2a plus 11d. Both are equal. These both terms are equal. Therefore, S12 is equal to 3 into S8 minus S4. Proved. Now next question, some selected question from R.S. Agrawal. Next question is same as, so that S3 is equal to 3 into S2 minus S1. This is a homework, same as previous example. Next question. If the sum of first p terms, question is, if the sum of the first p terms of an AP is the same as the sum of its first q terms, where p not is equal to q, then so that the sum of its first p plus q terms is 0. So here given sum of first p term of an AP is same as sum of first q term. That is given sum of first p term is equal to sum of first q term, and you know A is the first term and D is the common difference. Use formula, it is given. Then so that sum of first p plus q term is 0. First it is given, so use formula. SP is equal to p by 2 2a plus p minus 1 into D. SQ is equal to q by 2 2a plus q minus 1 into D. Now open the bracket open. So this 2 cancel. So PA plus, or this 2 both side cancel also. Divide by 2 cancel. So now open the bracket. So 2AP plus p square minus p into D is equal to 2AQ plus q square minus q into D. This all term taking left side. So 2AP plus p square minus p into D minus 2AQ minus q square minus q into D is equal to 0. This both term taking left side, so sign changed. Now this 2AP and 2AQ, here 2A is common, so taking 2A common, then remaining term is P minus Q, and from these two terms here D is common, so taking D common, then here term is P square minus P, and here minus Q square minus plus Q into D is equal to 0. Here taking D common, or 2A P minus Q, here P square minus Q square, taking one pair, P square minus Q square, and here taking minus common, then sign changed, so P minus Q into D is equal to 0. Then use identity A square minus B square, A plus B into A minus B. So 2A P minus Q, this can written P minus Q into P plus Q minus P minus Q into D is equal to 0. Now taking common, what is common? Here P minus Q is a common, so taking common P minus Q, So 2a into p minus q, and here plus p minus q common, p minus q common. So remaining term is p plus q and minus 1 into d is equal to 0. Whole term is p minus q common, total से p minus q common है. So taking common p minus q common, then remaining term is 2a, here p minus q common, so term is this, that is p plus q minus 1 into d is equal to 0. And in question given p not is equal to q, so p minus q not is equal to 0. Since p not is equal to q, therefore its difference not is equal to 0. So this factor will not is equal to 0, therefore second factor will be 0. So therefore 2a plus p plus q minus 1 into d is equal to 0. Call it first. Suppose it first. Here show that sum of its first p plus q term is 0. That is find sp plus q. So sp plus q is equal to, use formula, this is the value of n. So p plus q by 2 into 2a plus p plus q minus 1 into d. This is the value of sum of p plus q term, and put value 2a plus p plus q minus 1, this is the value, is equal to 0. So put value, so p plus q by 2 into 0 is equal to 0. Proved. So here show that sum of first p plus q term is 0. Proved. Next example. Next question is, if the sum of m terms of an AP be n and sum of n terms here given, if the sum of first m terms of an AP be n and the sum of first n terms and the sum of its first n terms be m, then show that sum of its first term is, then show that sum of its first term is, no, sum of first m plus n term, so that sum of first m plus n term is minus m plus n. Here show that sum of first m plus n terms. So what is given? The sum of first m term of an AP is n, that is given Sm is equal to n. Sm is equal to n. Sm is equal to n means use formula of Sm, that is m by 2 into 2a plus m minus 1 into d is equal to n. Call it 1. and given sum of its first n term, that is Sn. Sn is equal to m. So this imply use formula of Sn. Sn by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to m. So two equation given and Sn given. Now show that sum of its m plus n term, for sum of m plus n term is प्रूफ करनी है माइनस एम प्लस एन. अब सम कैसे फाइंड करोगे? सम के लिए हम फर्स्ट टर्म ए और डी चाहिए, फर्स्ट टर्म ए एंड डी. सो टू इक्वेशन गिवन, it is two equation given. Simplify and find the value of a and d. So both equations subtract and find a and d. Subtract both equation, subtract these two equation and find a and d or find the relation. So subtract second from first, or this first equation can written if bracket open, if open the bracket, open bracket, then equation first imply if bracket open then 2 to cancel. So ma plus am into a minus 1 by 2 into d is equal to n, and equation second imply also bracket open then 2 to cancel, that is na plus n into n minus 1 by 2 into d is equal to m. Then subtract these two equation, subtract. So sign minus, minus, here also minus, subtract these two equation. So